What's new in Camtasia version 2025.1.3 as of June 25th, 2025? I'm recording this video on July 11th, 2025. Now, one feature I've always hoped for is to quickly open the project settings menu, and this could be the reason. So you've just added a video like this, and let's assume you've added this one again. This one is a different dimension and orientation. You can see it's vertical and all that, and then you kind of decide to delete this. Now if you do that, then you remain with this. So I'd like to quickly enter into the menu. Normally you have to go to this drop down and then click on project settings, and then you see it. Right now all you need to do is just double click on this right there, and you'll get your settings here. So that if you want to go with vertical, you can now do vertical and then apply, and then now set your video to match what you want to go with right there. So it looks really good, super fast, super quick to open the project settings menu, and that's one of the few things that's new. You can now add the edited image in Snagit feature. You can allow importing snagx files as images. So right click here, I believe I should be somewhere, import media. Right, import media. You can now import images. I believe snagx should be somewhere here. So if you have Snagit and have all those images there, you can do that. Added the edit image in Snagit feature. Should be let's take a photo right there. So this one right here, right click, edit in Snagit. You can open that. That's good, highly welcome. What else? Double background tab in Rev. Window is updated with new files. Added user configurable shortcuts to add audio point. That's gonna save a lot of time as well, because instead of having to let's actually go to double click on this, see the properties, the audio. Instead of having to right click and then add audio point, now just set the keyboard shortcuts to add audio points right there. Super awesome. And then these are for IT administrators, but the most welcome feature is the added ability to double click FPS button and open project settings menu. That is highly welcome. So instead of going all the way like that, you can just double click here and do that. Maybe one I'd highly recommend they get is one to detach the canvas, and then to maximize and reattach. So detach and reattach. Detach the canvas and reattach the canvas, maybe using a keyboard shortcut. So that's it for this video, and that's what's new in Camtasia 2025. I hope this video is of value to you. Thanks for watching.